2007 Mazda RX-8. I am a seasoned drifter. My drift car's right there, and I've been doing it for like 3 or 4 years. But today we'll be diving into something a little different, which is going autocrossing. So right now we are at the Autocross track. All the way out here, I got the RX-8. This is the dream spec right here. Like I said, I am a seasoned drifter, so I've never touched anything like autocross or road racing, nothing like that. And we're here trying it out today, so that's what we're doing. All right, so we just got done with driver's meeting, and I'm setting cones now. Never done this before. It's interesting. Yeah, I'm just chilling here, so I'll show you when I drive. I've never had to do this before, but I need to write a number on my car. Autocrossing. So we're in the car right now. Like I said, I'm a seasoned drifter. We're about to autocross. I don't know. I never driven a track. Actually, driving a track. I've only drifted the track. So let's see how it goes. Turn everything off.
Sometimes the guys will launch and they'll throw rocks all over your car.
Oh, so, yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Usually stands. Timing actually starts right. The double cones right there.
Okay, so as soon as you cross.
As soon as you cross, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll come out here, bang second gear, race to the corner, and then figure out where you need to brake at.
All right.
Stock.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay. So always try to look about 2 gates ahead. So now you go straight, boogie, 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 boogie. Okay. Start slowing down. This is a little sharper one after this one. Bring it in tight, tight, tight. There you go. Now straighten her out. Brake. Second gear probably be fine all the way around the track. Other than that throttle, good job. Brake a little tighter, Oh yeah. Brake here, brake, real sharp, go wide, and then come in. On the outside of it?
Oh shit.
No, you're okay, let's keep going. Watch the pointer go. They moved that one out. That's a change they made.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Good job, that drifting pays off for getting around.
Yeah, right? That was a ton of fun. What the hell? And I drifted it too, because, I don't know, I'm just a drifter, I guess. All right, now I kind of know the layout. The last end was not good. I didn't do very good there, but apart from that, it was not too bad. So let's try to do it again and let's go from there. That was fun as hell. Okay, we're about to go on our second run now. Yeah, I'm geeked, bro. This time I go a lot harder. I'm gonna try to actually finish the track too. I definitely cut a significant amount of the track. Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
In this one, I had traction control on, so I was driving and trying to turn it off at the same time. Second run again. That was a lot of fun. I forgot to turn traction control off, so it like didn't launch on launch. So I'm gonna try it better this time and actually remember to turn it off. cone, bro, but that was better. That was better. It was 57. I hit 57.
Is it 57 or 53?
Hit 57. What? What are you talking about slow? That's good. Okay, that second run was a lot of fun. And faster. It was 57. So I'm going to try to get... I really want to get 55. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try my best. Maybe not as much drifting. That'll probably give me the times I'm wanting, but it's just too much fun, dude. It's just too much fun. I don't know how you don't drift like I don't know, dude. Just watch it. Did I go the wrong way?
Slow it down.
Did I go the wrong way?
No, you just went sideways through a bunch of cones. Keep going. Go.
Okay.
Go, go. Get up.
Did I go through the right cones?
You're the wrong one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why it didn't work. I don't know. It was not the same. I thought I went through it and then I was on the outside.
Yeah, you were on the outside, not inside.
Throw it. In here. Okay. I have a Renaissance Swap Miata at home.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, why did you bring that up?
Because a drag car.
Oh, it's a drag car?
Yeah.
You got a big turbo on it?
Yeah. It used to be a drift car, and then I turned it into a drag car.
Come on. We gotta make this one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm not back from the track, and we had a ton of fun. You guys saw all the runs I did, and all the drifting that I did. Overall, as a drifter, I rank it 7 or 8 out of 10. It was a lot of fun. Alright, well, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.